Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of BCRC. As you can tell from my my workshop here, everything is an absolute mess. So that is because I am working on several different cars at the minute. So I've got the Kraton here, which I'm rebuilding the rear diff to. There's parts of the rear diff. Here are the new gears for it, which I'm currently fitting. My boy got this for Christmas, and the Arrma Kraton Grom is already broken, the servo saver and everything else, so I've stripped all of that apart, trying to repair that. I'm going to be stripping the TRX4 apart. I'm going to be completely rebuilding that. I've also got underneath here my boy's Carnage, which you probably saw in a previous video. Going to rebuild that today. Right, so we're going to be taking these cars out for a bit of dirt track racing today. I'm really looking forward to it. It's an awesome place to go. I haven't been there with these cars for quite some time. You may have seen the place in a previous episode, but not with these cars, and there's much more there to see. So we're going to get them out there. So I'm going to stop talking, get these cars fixed, and let's get over there. Right, I'll see you in a bit. I run over it. So guys, sorry about the light, it's getting really dark out. For some reason, like, my camera's obviously not picking up how dark it actually is, but it is really dark. So, as usual, today did not go as planned. Went to take the Kraton out. Took it out for a little bit, got a little bit of footage for you, but I've lost the steering servo. So, brand new servo in there, Savox servo. Completely died, so we ended up taking the Hyper Go back to the skate park to give it another test. Landed it. Ready? You landed it on your own head. Uh-oh. And it's still going. How is this thing not dead? That must have killed it. Nope. I thought that would have killed it. Go. Go. Whoa! What happened to it, Luke?
I actually jumped it.
You jumped it flat out.
Look, look, wait, look.
I know, everything's broken. Well, only the body, everything else survived. But we're now walking back to the van. I'm going to have to try and sort that Kraton out. I'm getting fed up a bit, to be honest. I seem to be repairing it or doing more bits to it than I am actually using it. So
and it's supposed
it just seems to be problem after problem. So I'm thinking, get rid of the Kraton, get rid of it, get something different. Maybe an XRT, or maybe an X-Max, or maybe the new Kraton. I don't know, but I love the Kraton. I do like it. I'm just fed up with keep repairing it all the time.
Daddy,
Yes, Luke?
next time I'll get an X-Max back out to the moon.
Hey?
I'll get a brand new RC car.
You're going to get a brand new RC car? Yeah. You've had about 3 in the past 3 weeks.
I still like this one.
Right, so anyway guys, it's a little bit different video today. I'm going to leave you with that, with the footage that we've got. I'm going to strip down the Kraton when I get back home at some point. Sorry, I haven't got the selfie stick with me at the minute, so I can't zoom out on my phone. Yeah, so I'm going to leave you guys with that. Please like and subscribe. Bit of a rubbish video to say that too, but you know, I'll do everything I can to get a much better video for you next week. Right, see you guys in the next video. You'll say see you later, Luke?
No, you say no.
If I see you later?
No.
Oh, Luke said see you later.